Oh man, I'm excited for today's video. We have a bunch of insane sneakers to unbox that I've been waiting to get in. They're finally here, so let's get into it. This is like one of the heaviest boxes of sneakers I've ever felt in my life. This is probably about 2 kilos or something crazy. This is from Size, so guess who's actually double boxing their orders now? And we got one from Nike, so we'll put that one over there. And then we've got another Size, or this might be Foot Patrol, but either way, thank you guys for double boxing. Finally, we don't get the bag. Let's just not even waste any more time. Let's get into it. All right, fine. I don't even think I need a knife for this one. They've got pull tabs in here. Oh, these actually released yesterday, I believe. Got a Nike box. What dropped yesterday, guys, that maybe you went for these? I don't know. They seemed like a little bit of a mixed bag. People weren't too interested. It's a pair of Dunks, and obviously it's a collaboration with Undercover, so you already know what this sneaker is. Let's pull it open. I'm actually quite interested in these as like just a daily run around pair of Dunks. This is the Nike Dunk High 85 Undercover collaboration. So we got the classic, oh man, this. Okay, hold up, let me chuck this off. Take a look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, I just felt this. That is what you call leather, son. That right there is soft as hell. These are much nicer than I originally anticipated in terms of the materials, at least. I mean, other than that, it's just a plain black pair of Dunks. The problem with these is that you have to go a full size up, and I didn't do that. I completely just forgot. I entered the raffle for my own size, my true to size, and that's where the problem is. So we're gonna have to try these on and see how bad it is, whether I can actually wear these or not. They look super narrow, like super narrow. Let's see a pair of Dunks, and then let's see these. Like, can you guys see the difference in terms of width? Like, obviously under here, this is the Undercover one. This is a regular pair of Dunks, same size. Can you see the thickness? Like, that portion is so much thicker than this pair. Let's see if we can get a nice close-up of the leather. Either way, maybe it's something you just have to feel in hand. But these are like really solid in terms of leather quality, like very, very thick. It's all tumbled leather for the mid panels, and then of course around the back. And then for the overlays, it's just a very soft, thick black leather. Like, this is one of the best leather quality Dunks I've felt in a very long time. Now around towards the back, you get a little bit of embroidery up here, and then towards the bottom, that's just a huge text saying chaos. I actually need to grab the other pair out. I've just been holding one. So yeah, and then you've got the text on the back here. I'm not even going to attempt to read that. I have no idea what it says. These are going to hopefully go straight to feet if they actually fit. So I'm going to have to try that out. Even Nike Sneakers recommended that you go at least a full size up, and I remember I did get the last Undercover collaboration, and that was true. You do definitely need to go up. So I don't know. I'm going to try these on. I'm going to see if I can make them work. If I can't, that's very unfortunate. I don't know. Maybe they have a couple pairs left in stock somewhere. But this is a very solid pair. Daily beater pair of sneakers. This is it. It's murdered out. It looks mean with the text on the back. I'm really liking these. One of my favorite pickups, I think. Let's see what else we have in store. Right, let's get into the Nike pair, because this again is something, I think the make or break of this sneaker is going to be the materials as well. So let's see what we got. This is a pair of Jordan 1s. Not too many people are really hyped about, or maybe that's just the sentiment for Jordan 1s at the moment. Okay, this is the Brotherhood Jordan 1. They're looking extra bright on camera. I guess they're kind of looking bright in person as well. Let me take out this cardboard and let's give that toe box a little press. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, that feels nice. I'm actually, yeah, I can deal with this. This is much better than I thought. It feels like it's much softer on the toe box than the rest of the sneaker, but let me give you a little up close if I can, you know, show you guys. I don't know. This is like a, man, I think for me, summertime, if I can pull a couple fits off in these, they might just go hard. Probably gonna throw the white laces on. I think that that's gonna probably look best with this pair, maybe even the Bordeaux. I'm not too sure. Let me know if you guys managed to get a pair of these, but I'm impressed with the leather. At least I'm impressed with the leather. Again, this is going to be another straight to the toe pair of sneakers. Before I even get them out, I know these are going to be some of my favorite sneakers for summertime. Yeah, so this is obviously from Size. You guys know they always like to tape up the boxes, and normally they don't double box. So thank you, Size, for hopefully that's changed completely forever. and they never bag the boxes, and that's why it's looking so crispy fresh. This box has no dings whatsoever. Let's pop them open. Let's see what we're working with here. Whew. Yes, son. Yes, this is the Cardinal Red Jordan 3. Oh man, that tumbled leather, feeling crispy, just, oh man, this is such a clean colorway. These are just gonna go hard perfectly in the summertime. I'm a big fan of these threes, and just threes in general right now. They're popping off, they're throwing some really awesome colorways on these things. Like, we even know that the fire red threes are gonna be coming back this year, and I think they're going exactly true to the original, so that's something to look forward to. In some aspects, I guess, kind of similar to this. This is a much more deeper, distinguished red, if you will. Yellow with the embroidered Jumpman logo on the tongue. I wish I could have done a review on these, but it's just a little bit too late now. Everything seems to be delayed here in the EU or out in the US. Let me know if you went for the Cardinals at least. Did you grab a pair? Is this something that you're after? I think it's a great sneaker for the summertime, but yeah, let's get into the last sneaker, because I'm also very excited to take a look at those. It's an extremely heavy package. Like, no lie, this feels like at least 2 kilos up in here. So do I even need my knife? I might as well use it since I freaking got it out. Okay, so you've got a little cardboard sleeve. Let's peel that off. Wow, packaging is incredible. This is insane packaging, actually. Like, it's a nice squared off design. Let's pull the top off. Oh man, Adidas, you freaking killed this unboxing. Take a look at this, guys. Look, so you get a little bag with your extra laces in. They're all nicely segregated off into left and right. And then, so what is this? It's like a tray you get? Okay, so I don't understand this. You get a little tray with your laces, but what else is on here? Okay, so this is just a random tray, and you've got an elastic piece here, which maybe is what like holds the laces down, individually bagged into little sections of the box. Okay, thankfully these are not that heavy. It's the box that weighs a ton. Oh wait, you get a little note, which doesn't say anything. So it's just a little note. Holy crap, this is the NMD S1. And man, they killed these. These look insane, bruh. Okay, so even the little shoe tree is plastic. This is like high-end stuff. How much did I pay for these? I'm actually so shocked at the unboxing experience. Like, this is got to be one of the best unboxing experiences I've ever had from Adidas. And this is just what everybody is getting. This is not some kind of friends and family exclusive or anything like that. They really just went all out on this sneaker. You feel like you're unboxing something from like freaking Balenciaga or some super high-end brand, and it makes you feel like this sneaker is just insanely expensive. It's incredible. Honestly, this is not my favorite colorway that they've dropped. I much prefer the original or that upcoming triple black, which I think is going to be an instant cop. But I definitely wanted to get this one in and see if I like this model and just everything about it, because it looks freaking insane in hand. Trust me, guys, this is one of the craziest Adidas sneakers for this year. It has to be. Hey, if you guys want to see a review on this, I'd be more than happy to do so, but you gotta sound off in the comments, otherwise I'm not doing it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the NMD S1. Guys, listen, I want to know what you managed to get. Let me know down in the comment section. What are your latest W's? That's all the sneakers I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one. Why not? But until then.